Taliban has confirmed killing at least 58 Pakistani soldiers in the latest escalation of conflict with its neighboring country. The latest flare-up began on Thursday when a market in Kabul was bombed. The Taliban accused Pakistan of violating Afghan airspace and carrying out the attack. In what it described as a retaliatory action, the Taliban claimed to have attacked Pakistani troops across several mountainous regions. It has also captured 3 military outposts and seized weapons and ammunition.
د تیرې شپې عملیات افغانستان اسلامي امارت لخوا نه پیل شول هغه انتقامي عملیاتو چې دوی د نقض د حریم ځواب وویل شو چې زموږ حریم دوی نقض کړی او دا بریدونه پر ټول امتداد د کرښې کې اجرا شول او زموږ د معلوماتو له مخې 100 نه زیاتې پوستې تصرف شوي دي د مجاهدینو لخوا نه او 58 د دوی نظامیان له منځه تللي دي د 150 په شاوخوا کې ټپیان لري او تر 9 پورې زموږ مجاهدین هم شهیدان شوي دي او 14 تر 13 پورې زخمیان لرو او د دوی وسلې او مهمات هم نیول شوي دي په امتداد د کرښې. وروسته په نیمو شپو کې بیا د قطر هیواد او د سعودي عربستان د هیواد هغه غوښتنو په اساس باندې اسلامي امارت جګړه ودروله خو زموږ معلومات دا دي چې نن سهار هم د پاکستاني اړخ نه بیا د فایرونه شوي دي په پوستو باندې او د جګړې د ځینو ځایو کې لمن وهل شوی.
A Pakistani official told AFP that Pakistani forces responded with heavy fire and shot down 3 Afghan quadcopters suspected of carrying explosives. According to reports, Afghan forces targeted Pakistani posts along the Pakistan-Afghanistan border. An Afghan Defense Ministry spokesperson told AFP, "If the opposing side violates Afghan's territory again, our armed forces are ready to defend their country and will respond firmly." While Islamabad has not confirmed that it was behind Thursday's airstrikes, it called on Kabul to stop harboring the Pakistani Taliban on its soil. Pakistan has long accused the Afghan Taliban of permitting Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan or TTP, an ideological ally of the Afghan Taliban, to operate within Pakistan. AFP reports that TTP militants have intensified attacks against Pakistani security forces in recent months, especially in the mountainous regions. Islamabad maintains that Afghanistan has failed to expel militants using its soil to launch cross-border attacks, a claim that Afghanistan Taliban has repeatedly denied. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia has called for restraint and urged both sides to avoid further escalation. Now remember, it is important to note that Saudi Arabia is the same country that signed a defense pact with Pakistan in September, declaring that an attack on one would be considered as an attack on both. On Sunday, Taliban spokesperson Zaibullah Mujahid said that the airstrikes had ceased following requests from Qatar and Saudi Arabia. This is Yashar Trai for NDTV World.